Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to make a pictures look blurry on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So here I already opened my CapCut, and the things we have to do now is just go create a new project. And in this new project we need to go into the photos. In this photo collection you just need to choose which photos that you want to add to your project. Okay, hold on. For example, for me I would like to have this. Okay, and after that let's go click add, and now we already have a picture on our project here. So how to make this picture look blurry? So it's just so simple. You don't need to click anywhere. You just need to simply looking at this feature and go into the effects. In this effects you just need to go into the video effects and just type a blur on the search button. When you already type it, you just need to search, and there will be pop up the blurry effect on your screen. You just need to choose which blur effect that you want to add to your picture. For example, this one. And after you're done, you just need to click cancels and go click done. And now we already have a picture with the blurry looks here. And that is the first hacks. But what if you want to have a picture that in the top of this primary pictures here? It's also simple. You just need to go back in the beginning of the clip, and after that you just need to go back. Let's do an overlay to add another picture. Add overlay and choose the picture that we want to add into the project. Now we already have this picture. Let's adjust in the size, make it smaller so that you can compare it clearly. So we already have two pictures, the primary pictures and the overlay or the secondary picture. How to make this picture become blurry and the primary clear? You just need to go back until this feature is pop up. Go back into the effects until the effects is pop up again on your project work, and you just need to click it. While now you just need to click an object, and in this object you just need to change from main video into the overlay. See, so that you will have a clear primary picture and blurry overlay picture. So that's the way how to make a picture blurry on a CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.